In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create store policies on Shopify. Creating clear and concise store policies not only builds trust with your customers, but also helps in setting expectations, both for you as the seller and for your customers. Let's dive right in and get started. The first step you'll want to take is to head over to the Shopify admin page. Make sure you're logged into your account to access this page. Once you're there, look for the My Store section. You should see it on the home page of your Shopify admin dashboard. Clicking here will give you access to all the settings and configurations for your store. Next, locate the Settings option. You'll usually find this in the lower left corner of your screen. Click on it to open up a menu where you can see various options for setting up your store. The settings area is essentially where all customization and configuration begin, so it's a good place to familiarize yourself with. Once you're in the settings section, find and click on Policies. It should be prominently listed since it's one of the essential components for managing your online store's operations. This page is where you will create complete policies tailored to your business needs. Next up, you'll want to click on Return and Refund Policy. This is one of the most critical policies for managing your store effectively. Customers always want to know what their options are if they're not completely satisfied with a purchase. Having a clear return and refund policy can mean the difference between gaining trust and losing a sale. Once you've opened up the section for the return and refund policy, you'll notice a couple of options. One particularly useful option is the Insert Template button. Shopify provides templates that can help you frame your policies quickly. Using a template can save you a lot of time and ensure that you don't miss including essential information. Of course, if you prefer to have more control over your policy text, you're free to type out your policy manually. Ensure that whatever text you include aligns with your store's approach to customer satisfaction and legal requirements. After crafting your policy, it's always a good idea to review it thoroughly. If at this point you're not ready to finalize any changes, you also have the option to click Cancel to exit the page without saving any adjustments. This can be quite helpful if you need to come back later with more precise details after further consideration. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up essential store policies in Shopify. Remember, maintaining transparency with your customers through well-articulated store policies is a vital step in building a reputable online business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to optimize your Shopify store.